Cheetah's here.
How's it going?
What's going on today? Hi.
How are you guys?
Hey.
Just filming a YouTube video.
Okay, right on.
Oh, yeah?
So, okay.
What is that for?
This is just to see our traffic.
Oh, okay, okay.
Email list and stuff too. Like, I'm sure you guys can.
I'll put a star by yours. Yeah. You don't want any email.
So is all Cheetahs, all tire inflators pretty much?
So Cheetah, yeah, is the major part of like what we're showing. Our Viper is the the latest system, and then of course we have like a tire truer, tire cutter.
Oh wow.
Etc. So yeah.
That's so good.
Is here.
So if you look at your old CH5 over here,
Yeah.
your standard CH5 has this valve, and the way you blow it off, right?
Yeah.
Is you turn the valve,
Yeah.
right? They had air in that thing?
I know.
That was nice.
Someone blew his face off.
You know, as the
Just a little bit of air. It wasn't a lot, but it just shocked me. Yeah, so that's how you let that out, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you take one hand off to do that.
Yes, yes, yes.
So the difference is with this, two hands firmly gripped,
Oh.
right?
It'll blow the full load with the push of the button too?
Push of a button.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, so that's all it takes. You gotta
Also too, I noticed it has a wider
right, and
outlet.
if you don't hook it. So this one here
Yeah, because that's
is
like
designed to go onto the rim, right, and be right up on it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This one is designed to hit from about here.
Oh, okay.
So you never go near the rim. You don't scratch anything.
Not
You don't
to
take a
worry.
chance at banging anything.
Oh, all right.
You're the wrong one.
Yeah, much easier to handle. It's much lighter in weight. It's just a whole new redesign and upgrade on a product.
How many gallons is this one versus?
So this is 11.2 liters.
Okay.
That's a 13 liter, and then you get the 18 liter.
Would this one be like ideal, like Toyota Corolla, 15-inch tire, passenger car,
It would
stuff
do
like
any of that kind of stuff.
Really?
Absolutely. This is a steel. This is actually made out of steel. It's smaller, and it was kind of designed to be more for the service trucks for like rough use.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? But it'll handle any one of these. Will handle pretty much any kind of car tire. But the 18s will go all the way up to. You can blast semi tires with the 18.
Okay.
So,
And then price on the baby one, you said?
what did we say? Like 352.
352. Okay,
on this
that's
one?
not bad. Yeah, because ours we're legit. The handle fell off, so we legit have vice grips on there, and we turned it to open it, and it's
you
sad.
don't have this.
Yeah. But the handle and nut are lost, so we just put pair of pliers on there, and it always does take two people. So that button is pretty cool.
Oh yeah, much more efficient. Usually we'll do it on the first try with the button. Where on CH5 sometimes it take one or two tries to get it up there, you know. But yeah.
All right.
So yeah, if you're interested, and if it's not too old, you can put a jetpack on your old tank.
Oh, really? Okay.
So that turns into that.
Oh, okay. So you can just mount it. How much is just the jetpack?
186, I believe it is right now, right?
All right, guys. Well, thank you very
it was
much.
nice meeting you, man.
I'll be sure to tag you guys on the video. So
Yeah, thanks,
keep an eye out for it.
Guys, enjoy your time.
Awesome. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up.